Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one easy recipe which you guys can make it at your home very easily. So today I'm going to share the recipe of Pav Bhaji Masala Powder. How to make Pav Bhaji Masala Powder at your home. So let's start. So for this masala what you need, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds. So this is 1 tablespoon. I'm adding 4. Two tablespoons of soap, that is fennel seeds. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soap, that is the fennel seeds. It gives a nice flavor in the Pav Bhaji masala powder. And 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and some red dry chilies. So I'm going to add 5 to 6 of red dry chilies. So I'm adding 5 red chilies, and we have to roast all these ingredients. So you have to roast this one in a low flame, guys, not in the high flame, otherwise it will burn. So yeah, let's start. So I always make the masala powder at home, guys. I won't buy. Today I'm making the pav bhaji for the dinner, so I thought I can make this powder. And I'm going to add these bay leaves and the cinnamon stick into this, and you have to fry. So I added 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, that is soap, 1 tablespoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds, some the bay leaves, and this cinnamon stick, and red chilies. That is up to your taste, how much spice you want in your pav bhaji masala powder. So yeah, and I'm going to mix this one until it gives the nice aroma. Hey guys, this is done, and when it becomes cool down, you have to grind it in the mixer as a very smooth powder. Then after that, we have to add the turmeric powder, the chili powder, and the amchur powder, but not now. So we have to grind this one first. So we have to wait for 10 minutes. Hey guys, I'm going to grind this one as a very smooth powder, and I put it in the small one because I'm going to make in a small quantity. If you want to make it in a large quantity, you have to use the bigger one. So yeah, so I'm going to grind this one as a very smooth powder. Hey guys, can you see my masala powder is ready, and I'm going to put this one in the plate. So I'm going to put this masala powder in this plate. Very nice aroma, guys. And so as I said, I'm going to add all these ingredients, the turmeric powder, the chili powder, and the amchur powder. So the 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of amchur powder, and I'm going to add this one. You can use the Kashmiri chili powder also. Now I am using the amchur powder. and you have to mix all these ingredients together. So I added everything guys, and I mixed it very well, and nice aroma guys. You have to try this recipe at your home. And I'm going to store this one in this glass container, so that always store the masala in the glass container, so it will be fresh, and you can keep this masala for many days, no need to buy. So I'm going to put the masala into this. Hey guys, this is a quick video of how to make Pav Bhaji Masala Powder at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye. And when you are putting this masala in the Pav Bhaji, you have to use this spoon. So you can add 1 teaspoon of this one. So this is enough. And making masala at your home is always good for your health. So yeah, see you soon. Bye. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye.